Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna give you the recipe on how to make the most delicious and juiciest chicken tikka. This is very easy to make and you can eat this with a side of naan or a side of fries with any sauce that you like. It is common to eat this with a yogurt and mint sauce, more commonly known as chutney. Keep watching till the end of the video so you can make yourself some yummy chicken tikka. I'm going to start by adding 300 grams of boneless chicken into a bowl and adding 1 tablespoon of salt to this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and half a tablespoon of turmeric. To add more flavour, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and half a tablespoon of crushed black pepper. To this mixture, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of full-fat yogurt. The yogurt helps to bind all the spices together and allow them to stick to the chicken and also to tone down the spice. So if you aren't fond of spice, you can add more yogurt and your chicken will be fine. I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This was from a freshly squeezed lemon. You can also use pre-made lemon juice. And now, starting with a spoon, I'm going to mix all of this together until it's fully coated, and then get in with my hands to make sure that the chicken is covered by all spices and all of the yogurt well. I'm also adding around 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. Just gonna get in there and mix it all together with a spoon, making sure it's all fully covered, and as you can see now it's starting to come together. You can also add more chili powder if you want, or add a red food colouring for the red look that you might see on some of the chicken tikkas you've had before. I'm now gonna put cling film over the top and let this marinate overnight in the fridge. You want to let this marinate for a minimum of 6 hours so that you have this flavourful mix. The chicken has marinated overnight, and I'm also cut up some capsicum into bite-sized pieces. I'm taking a wooden skewer and I'm gonna add 1 piece of chicken and then 1 slice of capsicum, alternating between the 2 colours so you get a nice contrast and it looks good. The trick to getting good looking skewers is to make sure that the chicken pieces you add are added on the skewer vertically and not horizontally, so that it doesn't fall off the skewer and doesn't look displeasant to look at. I'm now adding all of my chicken onto the skewers, alternating between the 2 capsicum colours and then putting them into a plate, getting ready for them to fry. Just do this to all of your skewers and make sure that any leftover chicken flavouring you have, you put it onto the chicken so it doesn't go to waste. In a large flat pan, I'm taking about 4 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to keep this on a low to medium heat and place my skewers onto the pan and let them cook on each side for about 10 minutes, making sure that it is on low flame, and then taking a brush, I'm going to brush the oil onto the chicken so it's still coated and cook slowly from the top. You have to make sure that you flip these occasionally and make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. As you can see, I'm letting them cook on each side by time, and it's starting to get nice, golden and crispy. You want to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes in total, and you can cover this with the lid, and the steam from the lid will cook the chicken faster. And that's it, that's how you make the most delicious chicken tikka. I've plated it up and added the chutney or yogurt mint sauce, and as it cooked, it looks lovely and smells amazing. You can use any vegetable in place of the capsicum. You can add a red onion, chop it up into small bite-sized pieces and do the same thing with this. I chose capsicum because that's my personal preference, but you can categorize this to whatever you want. That's it for today's recipe, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please do try it and let me know. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.